Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage that we're bringing to you once every 3 months. It's super nice. You gotta wait for it, and then once it comes out, you're so anxious and you want to get right to it, right, Vika?
Yeah.
I'm sorry guys, it's been a nice 3 months, best of my life. Last month I got married, that's all I'm gonna say, and that's what this video is all about. We actually got a new car for my wife, and we're gonna show it to you in this video. So let's get going and start the rebuild. So here we are, the car is under this cover. What do you guys think this is? Is it a Lambo? Is it a Ferrari? Or maybe it's another BMW for our channel. What you guys think? Whoa. Ooh. 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 Bro, it's a 2017 Camry, bro. Our pockets ain't empty walking out of AutoGator. We picked up a couple pieces. Got the rear bumper, the rear reinforcement, along with the absorber and the tail lights on the outer side of the car. So all of this was $377 with tax. And shout out to Roman for hooking us up with the truck. We're picking all the stuff up right now and gonna take it back to the car. So let's go. All right, so we kind of washed up this bumper, and there is some little bit deeper scratches like this one. That's not gonna get buffed out. That's straight paint. And there's a little bit lighter ones down here. Oh, we're about to get another one. But anyways, we got this bumper because it's the same color as this car. So we might get away without just pretty much putting this one on right here. If there's a couple scratches, it's okay, YOLO, you know, it's not the end of the world. It's gonna be a daily driver, so looks like that's what we're gonna do, Vika. So yeah, we're at Lowe's, about to get that secret potion to repair that headlight, aka epoxy. Let's go see, hopefully it's in here. Hey, show them the moonwalk. Yeah, there's more where that came from. Stick around and subscribe.
Hey.
So we're looking for the marine one. I have some good experience. There it is. We'll take 2 of these, I think. There's 4 left. We already checked. We took 2 of them. Let's go repair that headlight. And I promise that's not how we do all our repairs on our salvage vehicles. Just some little things like headlights. You know, you don't need that. All right, so this is what we're going to be using to repair that driver's side headlight where it got cracked on the inside housing. Obviously, we're not repairing a jet ski. And we're doing a headlight, so it's plastics, and have a slight experience with this. I did a couple times. It sets in 3 hours and then full strength in 24 hours. So this stuff, literally, once it's all set and good, it's hard. You can't break it or take it apart. So that's why we're taking this epoxy, the marine style. So we just got some front end parts. We don't need much. We got that bumper grill. It's damaged. We're gonna have to replace it. And that reinforcement bar in the front as well, it was damaged. So we just got the parts. Let me just show it really quickly. As you can see, this is Recycle Road right here, the heart of dismantlers all over the world. I'm guessing there's a lot of parts here, that's all we can say, for vehicles. So the front reinforcement, we got aftermarket, and it's Kappa certified, so that's better quality and better fitment. Didn't want to get any used parts because they're kind of pricey. Might as well just go ahead and do that. Here's the grill. Sits like this on the bumper. Same LE. We didn't go and upgrade to SE or anything. So very cheap, I could say. I mean, reasonably priced. It was 200 something bucks. Let me just get the receipt. So right here, with tax, 242 bucks. Not bad for these 2 pieces. So we're gonna go back to the house. We're gonna put all that stuff together. So stay tuned. What is up, you guys? We're back in action. We're gonna be doing something a little different.
other than that Camry, my wife's car. So what we're gonna do actually today, the registration expired on the 240. It's on the street. I put on non-operation. For those that don't know, this actually was my daily driver before. So what we're gonna do is pretty much, I don't know, maybe wash it, maybe not. It looks like a sandstorm just hit it, but gonna get into the garage, make room first of all, because my brother does park his Mustang GT in there. So that's all we're gonna do. Let's get going. All right, so let me just show you what we're gonna be working with really quickly. So pretty much the plan is to kind of demolish that stand right there and get all this stuff that's on top of it away, and then move some of this old stuff that we don't need maybe down here, just kind of organize it a bit. The plan is going to be to get the 240 probably like as close as possible to the wall right there. We got some little helpers right here and the big helper, and we're gonna get going right now. So let's see what we could come up with. So we just finished up a little bit. Let's just show you the garage, what we did. I don't know if you're gonna notice anything, but just kind of mainly rearrange some stuff, got some stuff, like it doesn't have to be here. All this kind of could still get moved around. We got my brother's pressure washer right here. Ancient hoist that never gets used, but we kind of put it down here for now. Bike, again, if there's not enough room, we could put it somewhere else. Rearrange the shelf, got some stuff up top from here. And then mainly we just need the space because I'm gonna put the 240 as close as possible to here. So haven't started the 240 in about a month. We're gonna go inside. Hopefully she starts. Bad dog. Bad dog.
Aww.
Madam. Got the steering wheel in my hand because race car. There we go. All right, here goes. Powering up. Let's see if she cranks. Voila. Japanese JDM baby for life. We'll be standing for like 2 years and she'll still start up. Let's go take it around the block. Just kind of warm it up a little. Oh baby.
Yo, how can you see anything?
Let's try to get the still works. Bro, this is definitely not a BMW. All the little bumps, like this street, look, it's fine, it's straight, you know, but you feel everything. You got 18-inch wheels, low profile tires, plus coilovers that are pretty stiff. Oh, but it's pretty nice. I do miss it. Kind of want to start driving it again.
No.
Why not?
Because
Why?
you have another car.
And I could have two.
No, we have no space for it.
Man, wives these days. But she's a nice one. All right, so we just finally washed it up. Sun is setting. Gotta act quick. So just a little quick overview. 240 SX, I had it for like 4 or 5 years. It was my project car. Only thing I did was get like a bunch of suspension parts, lowered it on decent coilovers with different springs. Just washed it up and man, she looks a lot better. I'm gonna miss it a lot. We're gonna try to park it in the back of this garage right here to the side as close as possible to the wall. And I'm gonna bring that booty back in this way and we'll see how she fits in the garage. All right, you guys, it was a tight squeeze, but we managed to fit it in. So there it is. Booyah! Literally like a millimeter away with the help of the wifey. Teamwork, baby, teamwork.
You know it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna cover it up with the car cover. Before we do that, let me just show you one little thing, another little touch. Check that out. We got an audio from a Nissan Versa, which is the same thing as a 370Z. So that's pretty chill. I wired it up all by myself. Yeah. He actually maybe helped me, I can't remember.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so anyways, that's pretty much it. We're gonna cover the car up and hopefully my brother doesn't get pissed once he comes home and sees this. ready or not, but here we come with this headlight. If you guys remember, back with the Camry, obviously. Voila, the epoxy was settling in for like a couple days now, a week or so. And definitely, bro, check this out. Trying to take it off my nail. It's not coming off. There's a bunch of cracks here. If you guys remember, they're all sealed up. It should be okay. So for the most part, this headlight should not fog up. And we have no cracks on the lens. So we're good here. So next thing we're gonna do is remove this bumper, slap on this headlight. We got a little cover on top of the radiator support that's gonna go on. And pretty much front end is gonna be like 90% done. And let's get going. All right, y'all, so check this out. We got the front end assembled. And there it is. So the car's pretty much ready to go to the frame shop to get that rear end fixed. There is a slight damage right here. You guys seen it? We'll see what's up with that. We'll keep you updated. But there you go. We got the new grille, the impact bar, fixed that headlight. The gaps are pretty good. I'm going to adjust them a little better once I'm kind of finishing up the car. But as you see it right here, we just picked up the trunk lid. Let me show it to you really quickly. All right, so there's the trunk lid. We picked it up again. Same place, AutoGator here in Roseville, Cali. It's a SE, so bam, we got that spoiler. We got some downforce on that car, so it's gonna handle real nicely right there. Look, no spoiler, spoiler. And it comes with these little tail lights, the trim, and the camera in the back. So $700 with tax was for this thing. So pretty much it looks like we got all the parts, just little things. I'm gonna order up like some clips for the tail lights right here where it slides in. You can see they're cracked on both sides, and a couple little bolts, nuts for the tail lights from the dealership. And we're gonna go try to get this car to the frame shop and get it fixed here within a week or two. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so we finally made it back to the Camry, getting it to the next stage, and that's getting it to the doctors, aka the frame shop specialist. So here's the look one final time as it sits with the damage. If you take a peek inside, here's that main frame part of the car. As you can see, it has a major buckle. We're gonna get it all aligned. This should all get fixed. And this guy is a pretty nice pro. I always trust him with my car, so he's gonna do a nice job. I already guarantee it. So we're gonna try to drive it ourselves. We're not gonna tow it to the shop. We're gonna do this, secure it as so, and get the taillights on. That's the thing we're gonna try. Hopefully they work right now. We're gonna just kind of put them on real quick and hopefully they work. All right, start her up. Oh, baby. That exhaust note. There's no muffler, that's why it sounds like that. All right, press the brakes. Ah, dang it, only the right side works. This bulb probably went out. Gotta check it out. All right, just let it run. And you got a bulb? Let's try to see if we got a bulb. You know if you guys got bulbs? No? You don't know?
I don't know.
So here's the bulb. Let's see if it's good. Here's the old one right here. Is it bad? Yep. Filament is bad. It's not connected. This one looks kind of bad too, but let's see.
Hey, what's in your hand?
Bling bling, yo, Yao Ming. Hold up, I'm still trying to put this on. Okay, it's on. Let me hold the camera. Hit those brakes, pump it up. Hey, there you go. And voila, we at least got one good one, so we're pretty safe. We're gonna head to the frame shop ASAP. Let's go, babe. Boom, shakalaka. There you guys have it. We washed it up for the first time. Vika actually did help, and I like that. She's working away trying to get off the little adhesive tape on the quarter panel. That's what's up. So bam, there you have it. Pretty much all done. Let me just show you a couple dents, because we need to get him PDR'd out. So right here, there's one on the bottom of the tail light. There's one right here. You can barely see it. Super sunny. Let me show you the hood. Right here. Again, the frame guy could have easily get him off, but then he said, you're going to have to Bondo it, repaint it. That costs money, and plus it's not OEM paint. So obviously the best choice to do, if you could get it fixed without repainting, obviously do that. So we're going to try to do that. Give you the results on the next video most likely. It's just a little look on the interior. My goodness, it's super bright. Camera don't want to focus. Let me try the back maybe. Seats are a little dirty, but hey, it's our first wash, so no biggie. Next time we're gonna get him off a little further in more detail. So here's the interior, looks super nice. Vika's gonna love this daily driver. I am too, but she's mainly gonna drive it. This trim right here, I didn't know it was like a little wooden grain feel to it. But once we wiped off the dust, it actually is, so I like that little touch. Now let's go in the truck, I'll show you, because I'm super stoked how it turned out. This part was a little damaged, but you can't even tell. And then the main major damage was right here. I mean, you could tell something happened, but it's all straight, it's all fixed. The dimensions are back to spec, and we didn't have to do any cutting or welding, so that's the magnificent part. And this little tip was super bent. Everything's matching up. Let me close the trunk. Boom, look at that. Super nice. All right, so you remember I said the remote does not work? Look. See, you try to lock it or unlock it, nothing happens. And one other thing, when you put it in reverse, we do have a backup camera, but it doesn't work. So I'm almost 100% certain there's some connector or two that are unplugged, so we're gonna try to plug it up right now. Hopefully that fixes it. Right. So yes, I already kind of thought something was disconnected, so here we have this connector. Let's see. Okay, I see the latch is not connected. There's the backup camera. So I'll plug this in. Okay. Plug this in. Okay, that's all I see so far. We have all these little clips that are supposed to go in. We're gonna do that a little later once we assemble the trunk. You'll see that in the next video, but let's see if anything works. No, this remote still does not work. Maybe there's another connector, we'll see. Or maybe the battery's dead on it, I don't know. So let's see if the backup camera works at least. Okay, we're gonna try to start it. It starts, so that's what's up. Toyota.
Christmas.
Yeah, 'tis the season. Oh, look. Was that always like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So whatever, try to put it in reverse.
Hey.
Boom, the lines are there for proximity. Everything's good to go. You put it in drive, it takes off as it should. So the only light we have is that low tire pressure light. So we're gonna go to the gas station right now, fill up the air, and we're gonna go, and the next step is to smog this car. So that's what we're gonna do.